Guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets I will be checking out today, and everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so guys, let's go straight into it right away, starting with GAINEX 1200. Okay, so let's do that. Okay guys, this is GAINEX 1200 on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. Okay, so guys, these had been on downtrend for a while, but after getting to this support zone, it started an uptrend, which I believe it should get to this region. Okay, but it's unable to achieve this TP at the moment. Okay, it's unable to achieve this TP at the moment, so it's actually pulled back right from there. So if it continues selling and it gets to this region and breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more. Okay, it's going to sell more and may likely get to this particular support region. Okay, but if it does not and it pull back up to try out the resistance zone again, it may likely get to this particular setup. And of course, once it breaks out from here, we are most likely to find it around this region. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below this. So it might not sell for long, but if it breaks out below this, it's going to sell for long. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so selling at the moment, even though it might not be for a very long time, okay, before it will resume back the buying trend. Okay, let's move on to GAINEX 999. Okay, okay guys, this is GAINEX 999. I actually dropped this particular information in the Telegram channel. I dropped the signal in the Telegram channel. It was on downtrend before, but after getting to this support zone, it picked up from there, gave us an uptrend signal right from there. You can see it has gotten to the first TP, and the second TP is almost there, and it is still buying at the moment. And of course, this is still going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, we should watch out for that. Okay, so let's check out PayNext 1200. I also dropped this in the Telegram platform. This was the first signal I dropped today in the Telegram platform. I picked this signal when it was at the resistance zone, and of course gave us the downtrend signal. And of course we highlighted the different TPs. You can see it achieving the first TP, second TP, and the third TP. It also achieved it, even though I didn't add the third TP to the Telegram platform. Okay, so this is so amazing, guys. This is so amazing. This has been on downtrend for a very long time. If it breaks out below this, to keep on selling. If it does not, to go back on buy trend, which is an uptrend. Okay, so for now it is still selling until it is unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, now let's move on to PayNext 999. Okay, I've been following up with this. It's been so much on uptrend for like 2 days right now, buying and buying and having some pullbacks in between. Broke out from this particular resistance zone to buy more, and of course it has gotten to a new one. So I've been trying to waiting for it to get to this level, whereby it will not be able to break out above the next resistance zone and come up with a downtrend right from there. So if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then we are most likely to have a downtrend right from there, and it might sell till it gets to this particular spot first. And if it breaks out from here, then we get to see more selling opportunity. It will get to this region and may likely get to this region also. Okay, so but for now it is still buying until it is able to confirm to us that it is not going to break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so for now this is still buying until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. So we should watch out for that. Okay, and once that happens, it will show, I mean, it will give us the right signal right there on the chart if you are using this trading tool. Okay, now let's move on to the next asset, which is FX volume 80. So this particular asset too had been on downtrend for long. Right from here, it had been selling. Okay, I remember we milked this particular asset for like 2 days, 2 to 3 days. Yeah, 2 to 3 days, almost 3 days. Okay, so it didn't complete the third day before we stopped making it. So it went on downtrend for a very long time. Okay, so we've been waiting for it to change the trend, but it has not been able to change it. It has been struggling with it for a while. So it has gotten to another support zone. It has gotten to another support zone, and of course, which is this. If it breaks out below it, it will still keep on selling. Okay, but if it does not, it will change the trend totally, and it will go fully into an uptrend. Just the way we are saying it, it's trying to show us that it may likely change the trend at this point, but that does not mean that it cannot still break out below the support zone. Once it breaks out below the support zone, it will keep on selling and will be targeting the next major support zone to see if it will be able to change the trend right from there. But for now, this is still very much selling. I mean, it is still on downtrend until it is unable to break out below that support zone. So we should watch out for that. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. If you have any question, drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.